Here we are taking a look at this 2018 Cruise Lite 191RDX. It is solar prepped. Here is your large pass-through storage. Does have an awning, outside speakers, electric stabilizers. In the back you have the storage rack, spare tire, here is your hookups for your power and your city water, fresh water connections, and outside shower. As you come in, you have your bed off on your right. Here is your bathroom. Your kitchen area with a microwave, a 3-burner, and an oven. In the back, you have a booth dinette and a jackknife sofa. Both will fold and down and make into beds. If you have any questions on this unit or others, please give us a call, 208-324-4661. Thank you.